Okay, we're going to look at Magical Murphy. This toy is from 1987. Mint condition. Box has a split there, and it's got a little tear there, a little tear there. It's not in horrible. And there's these two sides. These two corners are fine. Not in horrible shape. A little tape would do that just fine. But the monkey itself is perfect, as you can see. It takes 2 AA batteries, and I'm gonna turn them on, and I might have to jump in there and like stop him from going off the table. But here he goes. Whoa! He needs a little bit of space. He goes both ways, and he can always seem to right himself. I gotta be careful now. He's gonna try and get off of there. Whoa! Easy, buddy. There he comes. But that's what he does. He rolls. All right. Easy, Murph.